Hello and welcome to my channel, From Dust to Shine. My name is Veronica and I do cleaning, organizing, and decorating videos. I am also a full-time working mom, so if you like these type of videos, make sure that you subscribe so you can follow me on this journey. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning my whole house. It is not a deep cleaning, but it's more like in detail and how I maintain my house clean. First thing I'm going to do is pick up the clean clothes and put it where it belongs. Then I'm going to get started with the bathroom. This is where I do my makeup and brush my hair, so I need to put all of my makeup away and clean the sinks and the countertop. To clean my sinks, I'm using Lysol with bleach, and with a Clorox wipe, I'm going to be disinfecting my countertop. I also like to use a microfiber towel to dry everything off.
You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same? With that girl you texting when I look away. 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the best.
And to clean my mirror, I'm going to be using a glass cleaner and paper towels. And now on to vacuuming. Like I mentioned, I brush my hair here, and since we don't wear shoes inside our house, nobody wants hair all over their socks or their feet, so let's vacuum. Now I'm going to give my toilet a quick wipe down. Again, I'm using the Lysol with bleach. Remember, today is not a deep cleaning. It's more how I maintain my house clean.
Stuck in reverse somehow.
The last thing I'm going to do in the bathroom is mop. I'm going to be using a microfiber mop, and you can totally just use water if you like, but today I used a Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner. I just wanted to have a nice, clean, and fresh scent. Again, this is totally optional. The water will do the job just fine. In the master bedroom, I already have made my bed. I like to do this as soon as I get up because it instantly makes the room feel clean, and it only takes a few minutes to do. I'm going to start off by cleaning my furniture. I know I've mentioned this before, but I like to use glass cleaner and a microfiber towel to clean my furniture. And to make the room feel completely clean, I'm going to vacuum, and then I will take you guys downstairs and we will continue dusting. So let me know in the comments down below. How often do you guys dust your house? I feel like I am constantly dusting, and lately it's like every other day. I'm just curious to know, so leave me a comment and let me know. In the kitchen, I'm going to start off by putting all of the clean dishes away.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel.
Now I'm going to rinse the dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. I bought this new dish soap and it's lavender and lime, and I absolutely love it.
And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver.
Now I'm going to wash and disinfect some strawberries. I left them in water with white vinegar for a few minutes. Then I cut them up and put them into plastic containers. I then put them into the refrigerator so that when my son wants to have them for a snack, they are ready to eat.
Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away.
Since my cutting board is white, I always wash it with a cleaner with bleach, and then I put it into the dishwasher, and that helps maintain it super clean. Now to clean my island, I am using Lysol. This is in the scent mango and hibiscus, and it smells so good. My son and I had just finished lunch. My daughter and my husband were at work, and since I knew that I was going to be using my Nido vacuum, I was letting all of the crumbs just fall to the floor.
When you touch my hair, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do, I'm so in love with you.
The first thing I'm going to do is clean the filter. Also, I'd like to mention that this vacuum is compatible with Alexa and Google. But today I'm going to be turning it on manually. I'm going to also be showing you guys how it cleans my floors.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
This vacuum is great for cleaning your floors, carpet, and rugs. Here you can see that I forgot to save the cord from my wax pot, and you can see that the sensor sensed something was there and it just went around it. I also left my son's shoes out so that you guys can see how it just goes right around the shoes. I know I mentioned this before, but this vacuum is one of the best purchases that we have made for our home. I love that we can turn it on from our phones, and as a working mom, I love coming home to a vacuumed house. It makes a huge difference and it really helps me with my cleaning routine.
I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
This is the first time that I try e-cloth. It guarantees to clean with just water, so I'm going to be cleaning my glass sliding door because it always has fingerprints. So these cloths come in a package of 2. The light green towel is what I used first to clean, and the darker green cloth is what gives the glass its shine. I am going to be honest, I was totally shocked at how well these towels cleaned. So if you are looking for a way to clean without chemicals or cleaning products, I strongly recommend these cloths.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches.
And while Nito keeps on vacuuming, I'm going to get started with my furniture in my living room.
It's a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman.
Does anybody else find vacuum lines as satisfying as I do? Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy vacuum lines.
It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
And the last thing I have left to do is mop. I'm going to be mopping with my microfiber mop, and that spray bottle that you've just seen me use, all it has is water. I'd like to take the time to thank you for spending some of your day with me. And if you want to know how Nito returns itself to charge its battery, don't click off just yet because that is still coming up.
Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman.
And here you can see my dog Leo. He is just living his best life. He loves to lay in the sun and just sunbathe. Nito is all done, and here you will see how it goes back to its charging station. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in my next video.